Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of unique modern mirror decor ideas. Mirrors are not just functional, they can also add a touch of style and sophistication to any space. So let's get started. Our first mirror decor idea is the geometric mirror arrangement instead of using a single mirror. You can create a stunning focal point by grouping multiple geometric shape mirrors together. Hexagons, triangles, and square are the popular choices. So, play around with different sizes and orientations to achieve an eye-catching display. Next up, we have the mirror gallery wall instead of traditional framed artwork. Consider using a collection of mirror mix and match different shapes, size and frame designed to create an eclectic and visually captivating gallery wall. This is fantastic way to reflect light and make the room feel more spacious. Moving on to our third idea, mirror mosaic accent. With small mirror tries, um, tiles, you can create intricate pattern and designs on various surface. Try applying surface will add depth and dimension to your decor. Now, let's talk about mirrored furniture. Incorporating mirror element into your furniture pieces can instantly elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. Consider a mirrored console table in your entryway, a mirrored sideboard in your dining area, or even a mirror headboard in your bedroom. The reflective surface will give a modern and glamorous touch to your interiors. Another creative mirror decor idea is a mirror ceiling. It may sound unconventional, but it can create a truly mesmerizing effect. By installing mirrored tiles on the ceiling, you can add a sense of drama and glamour to any room. This works particularly well in a space like a dining room or a master bedroom. Lastly, let's not forget about mirror art. These are numerous artists out there who specialize in creating stunning designs. Mirror art can become the centerpiece of any room. Find a unique mirror art piece that speaks to your style. Let it become the focal point of your decor. And there you have it. Fox unique modern mirror decor of elegance. Whether you prefer geometric arrangements, mirrored furniture, or captivating mirror art, there's some mirror decor ideas out there for everyone. Let us know in the comment which idea you was your favorite. Or if you have any other mirror decor ideas to share, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.